Hello, third graders. This is Miss Goins. We are continuing on with our weather and climate unit. Last week, you guys learned about what weather was. And this week, we're going to talk about how some types of weather can be considered hazardous to communities and ecosystems. So, looking at our I can statement, it says, as scientists, we can understand weather and its effects on communities and ecosystems. So, last week is when we started understanding weather. Now, we're going to understand how certain types of weather can affect communities and ecosystems, and we're going to look at how it can affect it more in a negative way. So, getting ready for your assignment today, there's some things you need to know. First of all, there are words to know. So we know weather is the conditions in the air outside, what they're like in the certain times and places. This is thinking about, is it hot or cold? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? All of that. The other word you need to know is the word hazard. Now, when we talk about this, it is a danger or a risk. So if something's hazardous, that means it's dangerous or it's risky. Now, some examples of hazardous weather, and you may have heard of them, is thunderstorms, hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, landslides, tsunamis. And those are just a few. And all of these different hazardous weather can destroy property or damage things and have a lot of negative effects. So as you read today's article, your job is to focus on two types of hazardous weather and to see specifically how they affect communities and ecosystems. Now, these are probably two common hazardous weathers that you've either seen yourself or have heard about in the news. All right.